Well, we are back on our twin carriers, and the light is just, the fan is just blowing. Oh boy. Fan is just blowing. Let's see, we'll flash the code. $31. Why is the fan running? Okay, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. It's dang cold in this house. It's like 57 degrees. Let's see. Oh yeah. Got plug trap. Plug trap. Tell that thing's never been off there before. Holy crap, there's a lot of water in there. Oh boy, that's a treat. How do they even get the hose on there? Fudge. Gosh darn it. That's a lot of water. Wow. Jeez. me get this trap cleaned out. Alright, so get our trap cleaned out. Let me get none of these hoses have ever been off here. Pete. Just install it and forget it. Get this back on here. Go with this back on here. Jeez, Pete's got water all over. Alright. Must have the fan turned on upstairs. Don't know why. Lid on both. Well, I should probably clean the other trap out too. That's probably never been cleaned. It's probably never been cleaned either. This one's not plugged, but let me go clean it. Now this one would barely run before they hit it. They had it wired funky to where this one would only come on technically for second stage. I mean, you can do that, that's not a problem. she wasn't getting enough heat in the house, so we had undid that, but they run at the same time now. But she hasn't got on a maintenance schedule yet, so right on. It's a blower on after startup. Hold on. She's gonna fire in a minute. Alright, we got fire. So back in the day, I think we installed these, but it's went through a couple of owners. So this owner, they just acquired the house back a few months ago, so they're not on a maintenance schedule yet. So we got both traps cleaned out. That one wasn't bad, this one was plugged, and we're done with this one. But I did already check the heat exchangers on the last round when I was out here on these furnaces. Well, that was kind of a simple one. Like I said, this lady just acquired this house maybe a few months back, so she's not on any kind of maintenance schedule with us yet. The previous owner, he didn't do anything. He acquired the house. He was going to, he did a few upgrades to the house, but it's a bed and breakfast. That's what originally it was. Well, originally it was turned into a bed and breakfast. We did a bunch of work, I don't know, maybe I think 10, 15 years ago. And so the original, one of the owners did all the work, and then another guy bought it, and then this lady bought the house for her family. So it was originally bed and breakfast. It's a big house. It's got to be like 5,000 square feet or something. Older Victorian style house. And yeah, she's just not on a maintenance schedule yet. So we got her on a maintenance schedule finally, and we'll probably come out here in the spring and do AC startups and so on. But and then I think she's got 2 rooftops sitting up there, a makeup air, because it was a bed and breakfast, it was commercial. And she's got 2 furnaces, 1 furnace on the 3rd floor, and 2 twin furnaces in the basement. So it's a lot of equipment in the house for a residential house. But that is it for this one. Not a big deal. Clean the trap out and get it going. It was 57 degrees in that house. It's an old, like I said, it's an older Victorian house, not much insulation in the walls. So I mean, the temperature drops quick. So I will see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.